Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome to the Stata course on regression analysis and estimation methods. Today, we will continue our discussion on the panel data models. We often apply the panel data methods, such as the time-demeaning fixed effect transformation, to data with both individual and time dimensions. However, we could apply the panel data methods to certain data structures that do not involve time. For example, in 2019, I wrote a paper on the causal relationship between the trichord family structure and the workers' earnings. I assume there's something in common for all the descendants from the same family, such as the family traditions and genetic characteristics passed down over generations. Here the family refers to a family tree that includes grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and their children. Cousins from different households belong to the same family. There is no time dimension in the model. Instead, the panel variable is the family, and the so-called time variable becomes the descendants within each family. They could be siblings or cousins. The unobserved family characteristics are the family fixed effects in the model. They are allowed to be correlated with the explanatory variables because we can apply the fixed effects within family transformation to eliminate the family fixed effects. Let me show you how to apply the fixed effects methods to this data structure. Please download the dataset bob5.dta. We type browse to have a look at the data structure. It is the family-descendant structure. For example, family number 41 has 9 descendants. They are the workers who participated in the survey. They belong to the same family because they have the same parents or grandparents. We set the panel data structure by typing xtreg ij. Here I is the family ID, and J represents each worker within the same family. It is an unbalanced panel dataset. Some families have more descendants than others. We use the panel data fixed effects demeaning method to estimate the model. We type xtreg log wage, union, age, schooling, female, and the FE option. Notice that we can estimate the female effect and the educational attainment effect on wages in this panel data setup because they vary across family members or descendants within each family. By contrast, in the standard panel data fixed effects setup, they are time constant and therefore their effects cannot be estimated. We also run the models using the pooled OLS, random effects, the correlated random effects, and compare the estimates in the table. We find that the return to education substantially decreases in the fixed effects model after we take into account the unobserved family fixed effects. It is evidence that the omitted family tradition and genetic characteristics correlate with the workers' educational attainment. Please check out my previous video for more information about the pooled OLS, random effects, and the 4 fixed effects methods. Thank you so much for watching this video and learning Stata with me. Take care. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.